Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking the risk of getting very wet because it's been raining a lot. For the moment it has stopped, I'm cycling to watch the USA take on Australia in the World Cup in around about an hour's time from now, and I will try to get you some footage of the guys in the bar watching the game. See you later.
Successful 1v1s. That's the most in a World Cup match since Brazil did it in 2014. You break a player down.
Position. But now you've got Mulligan attacking the near post, then Pepe coming over his shoulder. So traditionally the US just play with one. You've got 3 versus 1. This time you've got 3v2, but the movement